we have covered how to calculate correlation with actual mean, with the assumed mean. Now we'll use the covariance method. What does this word covariance means first? Covariance means covariance, vary. Any two things who vary together, and we have to understand the fact how they are moving, the relationship, then it will be called covariance. That is deviation of the two variables, to how much is deviation of the two variable is getting matched. So this is covariance. What in terms of covariance, if I express the formula of correlation, then it is again same. This is, as I said, it is called Karl-Pearson coefficient of correlation. This is R is being represented by that. Using the covariance method, R can be represented as covariance between X and Y, two variables, divided by n number of observation, standard deviation of X and standard deviation of Y. What is it? It says, if you find the covariance between two variables, and separately if you find the standard deviation of the first and the standard deviation of the second, use that in this formula. In that case also, you'll be able to find the R correlation coefficient. Very important thing is covariance, it has a same property as that of variance, what we started earlier. That is, it is independent of change in the origin, as well as it depends upon the change in the scale. We have talked about these two characteristics. These are the mathematical characteristics of variance in the case under the head standard deviation. So similarly, covariance it also shows the same property. Independent of change in the origin, when independent of change in the origin, if I shift the value of X and positive 2, 3, 4 steps or negative, either of it, the result doesn't get affected. Similarly, but it depends upon change in the scale. Change in the scale, and scale changes, but value will definitely get changed. So we can use this formula also and calculate. We'll do numerical on this and we'll try to find out R in that case. But before that, let us talk about, we have studied R in the last two numericals. In one numerical, I got the value of R1. Another, I got negative values. So when I try to look at the value of R, what happens? Karl-Pearson coefficient, say, of correlation has a value which lie between -1 to plus. Yes, obviously in center it has to be 0. So this -1 is perfect negative correlation. This is perfect positive correlation. And obviously, this is no correlation. Right? You will never ever get the value of R more than +1 or value of R less than -1. We can understand this concept considering, like, for example, X variable and Y variable, right? If X variable, let's say it's 10, and it goes and get double 20, then again it get double 40, again got double, that is 80, right? Similarly, same type of nature, same type of change I have obtained, I have seen in Y. It was 2 pair. When it was 10, it was 2. But when it got doubled, when the value became 10 to 20, it became 4. Again, see, it's double value. From 4, it got 8, 16. What I could see, अब आप x वैल्यू को डबल करते जाते हैं तो y भी डबल होता जाता है. और अगर हम इनकेस, ये तो एक सिंपल सा है, अगर हमने कैलकुलेशन की होती डेटा पे और हमने r निकाला होता तो पॉजिटिव 1 आता. इसका मतलब ये चीज है कि 100% ये दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ एग्जैक्टली मूव करते हैं। जैसा एक्स में वेरिएशंस आते हैं वैसे वाई में वेरिएशंस आते हैं। कोई कोई कुछ भी आप एग्जाम्पल ले लें, दो वेरिएबल एक दूसरे के साथ जो रिलेशनशिप दिखाते हैं वो 100% से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकते। 100% मीन्स 100/100, दैट इज वन। हम if there is one person who think that this is the best brand in this type of pen, and same exactly is the thinking of my another person, both of us they think exactly same way, means हम दोनों एकदम 100% एक जैसा सोचते हैं। 100% मीन्स 100/100 वन। मतलब हम दोनों के बीच में हमारे थॉट्स, हमारे डिसीजंस के बीच में जो रिलेशनशिप है वो क्या है, +1। इससे ज्यादा तो नहीं हो सकता। हम 110% एक जैसा, reality doesn't exist 110%, 120%। So we can say, हम इसको लॉजिक लगाएं हमारे दिमाग से, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि कोई भी दो वेरिएबल्स के बीच में रिलेशनशिप कभी भी +1 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता। +1 मीन्स एग्जैक्ट मैच कर रहा है, एग्जैक्ट मैच कर रहा है। इससे ज्यादा क्या मैचिंग होगी कि ये डबल हो रहा है, ये डबल हो रहा है, ये भी डबल हो रहा है, ये भी डबल हो रहा है, 100% मैचिंग। अब इसी तरह से रिवर्स में भी बात कर सकते हैं। अगर ये डबल हो रहा था पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में, तो ये नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में हाफ 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 होता जा रहा था। नेगेटिव परफेक्ट कोरिलेशन मींस इफ आई सेड दिस इज द बेस्ट, माय फ्रेंड सेड दिस इज द वर्स्ट, उसके बीच का जो रैंकिंग है वो हमने दिया ही नहीं, 1/10 रैंकिंग दे रखा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे हमने कहा आउट ऑफ 10 गिव मी द मार्क्स, तो हमने इस पेन को मार्क्स दिया 10/10। माय फ्रेंड गिव 1/10 और मे बी 0 वाज ऑप्शन, 0/10। हम दोनों के बीच के थॉट्स का जो रिलेशनशिप है वो 100% नेगेटिव। लेकिन पॉसिबली है इफ आई हैव गिवन 5/10 एंड ही हैज गिवन 4/10, तो मींस सम कुछ रिलेशनशिप है 4 और 5 के बीच में, ज्यादा डिफरेंस है। बट 0 एंड 10 स्केल ऑन, अगर 10 का स्केल है और ये दोनों एक्सट्रीम है, 10 के स्केल पर 0 और 10 एकदम एक्सट्रीम वैल्यूज है। हम इन्होंने एक्सट्रीम वैल्यू दी, हमने एक्सट्रीम वैल्यू, हम दोनों एक दूसरे की सोच थॉट्स एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट है। When I say 100% we have an opposite relationship in thinking, अगर हम ऐसा बोलते हैं then we have 100% negatively correlation in our thoughts or in judgment. Then what will happen? In the numerical terms, -100% means -1. So -1 से ज्यादा कुछ नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता है वैल्यू आर की, पॉजिटिव 1 से ज्यादा किसी नो, अगर कोई रिलेशनशिप नहीं है दोनों की थॉट्स और जजमेंट में, then it will always come no correlation. Now, so this is perfect negative, this is perfect positive, and then there is no. So always value of R lies between these two. Generally, you don't get -1 and +1 in this when you collect the data. It always lies somewhere between 0 to 1 with positive or negative sign. We have the way of representation which we have done in scatter diagram. Pearson correlation technique, this Pearson, our formula, those two formulas and this Pearson correlation technique, it works best with the linear relationship as we talked earlier, when relationships move in the same ratio, right? It works best with a linear relationship. This has to be kept in mind.